Hi, I'm Will with Sherpa Equipment Company, and today I'm going to show you how to install a set of our handle light brackets. So these are currently designed to work with the Baja Design rock lights. You can get them in white, amber, or red on our website. With a set of our handle light brackets, they come in pairs, so you'll have 2 brackets and all the necessary mounting hardware to attach to the rack itself. But the hardware to attach the light to the bracket itself is actually in the hardware package with the Baja Design rock lights. So for this install, we're actually going to set aside the rubber spacer, the 2 shorter bolts, and then the 2 zip ties, because we won't be using any of those. But we do want to keep the 2 long bolts, the washers, and the nuts. The first step is actually going to be attaching the light to the bracket itself. And what you're going to need is 2 of the long bolts, the washer, and the nuts. So we're actually going to be attaching it so that the bracket is pointing in this direction, which gives the light a downward angle. Put a bolt through here, and then on the back side we get a washer and a nut. So now we're going to use our 3mm Allen wrench and a 7mm socket on the back side and tighten these up. So repeat this step for your next bracket. Now that we have them assembled, we're going to put them on the truck. So our handle light brackets are designed to work on any of the handles on our racks, so pick your favorite handle and go for it. So once again, these are designed to point downwards, so we'll put it in the handle. So now we're going to pass our socket button and washer through. You get 1 washer and 1 nylock for each of the bolts. Then we're going to use our 5/32 Allen head wrench and our 7/16 socket and begin tightening. Once you have all your hardware tightened, you can work on the other side. From there, check out the Baja Design website for instructions on wiring. If you have any questions or concerns about the install, feel free to contact us. If you have any questions about wiring, please contact the lighting manufacturer.